students, how are you? Hope you are doing good. Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Higher Secondary School welcomes you for online class. Today we'll start with our chapter 6 HTML tutorial. Under this we are going to discuss about what is HTML, basic HTML document, how to execute the HTML program, what is HTML tags, how the HTML document structure will be, and we'll have a quick recall and few questions for this session. Yes. First question which comes in our mind is what is HTML? So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. You must be thorough with the full form of HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. Yes, the language is Hypertext Markup Language. This is the most widely used language in developing web pages. What is web pages? See, for Amazon, when we click Amazon.com, we go for Amazon website. Nice. And when we select Flipkart.com, we go for Flipkart website. You all know this website, isn't it? Even the Facebook, even the Google, everything will have a different web pages. So these web pages, everything is designed by the language called as Hypertext Markup Language. Right? This is the most widely used language in developing web pages. Right. So who created this web page? Who created this HTML? Yes. Tim Berners-Lee is the person who developed this language, Hypertext Markup Language, in the year 1991. So, next we are going to see how we are going to execute a HTML program. So, for executing a HTML program, you need a notepad and a web browser. So, what are two things you need? You need some notepad and a text editor or some web browser, right? So, we will see one by one how the HTML program will be and how to execute this HTML program. Next comes the basic HTML document. Can you see the basic HTML document? Can you find an angle bracket HTML? Next head. Next within head title. Then you should tag with the title. This is the name which you give for a program. You can give any title which you wish. Next you have to close that. For closing, can you find the backward slash and then the title tag? Right. Next the head tag, it's closed. Next is body tag. Next document content goes here. Next close your body tag. Next close your HTML tag. So this is how a structure of HTML document will be. There will be a HTML tag. Within HTML you have two main sections. One is head section, another one is body section. Under the head section you have another section called as title. Yes, these are the mandatory tags which is used in HTML document. Right. So this is the basic HTML document. Next, how to execute an HTML document. Can you find the left side one? How you can see the program, isn't it? So see it down. Yes, you can type any tag like this, and when you're saving a document, you have to save any file name, but it should have an extension of .html. You can have in your name. For example, arun.html, my first program.html. Any program name, it should end with .html. So this shows that it is a web page based program. Clear? Right. In the right side, can you see the open web browser? Right. So for example, there are many web browsers. These symbols are very familiar for you, isn't it? Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer. So these are the example of a web browser. So only using this web browser, we can execute a HTML program. Clear, students? Next, what is HTML tags? So the tags that are enclosed within angle braces. So previous program you have seen, isn't it? There will be an angle bracket and there will be another angle bracket which contains the backward slash. So this is how we use that tag. So what is a tag? Tags are enclosed within angle braces. So can you find the syntax? How to general form? How we are going to write tag name, then close tag name. For example, HTML, close HTML, head, close head, title, close title, body, close body. So this is how the tags are used in HTML. So every tag has a corresponding closing tag, but there are tags which does not contain closing tag also. We will see in further classes. Okay. So every tag will have a closing tag. So for example, HTML, head, title, body. Clear for you? So what is a tag? Tags are enclosed within angle braces. Next comes the HTML document structure. So first it should start with document declaration tag. Can you find the starting HTML and at the end can you see the close HTML? Right. There are two main sections in HTML document. What are they? One is head, another one is body. Can you find the head tag and close head tag, body tag and close body tag? Right. So head tag contains the document header related tags and body tag contains the document body related tags. This is the structure of a HTML document. So for this class you understand how the HTML program will be, what is the tag, what is the basic document structure of a HTML. So by using which one we will type the HTML program and by using which application we will run this HTML program. You are all very clear with this. So what is a HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is developed by Tim Berners-Lee in the year 1991. This is the only language which is used to create the more web pages. Clear? Example of web browser you already know. What are tags? Tags are the things which are enclosed within an angle braces. Next you know the HTML document structure. So have a quick recall of this and scroll back to view the answer for all these questions. Yes, answer these questions and report to your corresponding group. Hey students, it's time to say bye bye. Thank you.